Hello, my name is Cindy, and I'm a patient of Dr. Timek. Um, she is the second plastic surgery surgeon that I went to. Um, Before my other one, on my second experience with breast cancer, I had a mastectomy and had implants put in. I had radiation prior to that 10 years before on the right breast and a lumpectomy. And 5 weeks after my surgery, I was severely infected with cellulitis and going into sepsis. So this last summer, I spent a lot of time in the hospital. I nearly passed away. I still was with him the second year, and I developed the cellulitis again several times, once again during the summer. And then I realized I needed to go to somebody else, and thank God I found Dr. Timek online and went to her. She decided, since I had radiation, that she would put a flap on both sides and take out my other prosthetic on the left. That was when she went in. The left side was ruptured, and I had more cancer over there. So, make a long story short, I did get infected after Dr. Timek's first surgery of putting in the flap. She put me immediately into the oxygen therapy, the HBO, and I spent 4 months doing that. It healed, and my flap survived it, which was a real miracle. I had tunneling into the breast. It was a real mess, very traumatic. But I cannot say enough about Timek. After that, all my surgeries took from fat grafting. And now I'm a proud owner of 2 breasts with nipples. And I couldn't be happier with her. She is an amazing person, amazing surgeon. I will recommend her to everyone, anybody. She's a very kind person. This took a couple more years for everything, but so I've been through it for like 3.5 years. But now it's at an end, and we're done, and I'm completely satisfied and happy. My life has changed. My self-esteem is back. Like I said, she's the most amazing person. Thank you.